time to start Larry. Welcome back to Mongo's Garage. Today, I'm going to remove the bed on Larry. It's gonna get a 4-wheel drive conversion, and we have a little special 6-inch lift kit for it too. This one is going down to the frame. Dad actually just left for Texas, so you're gonna see me and George tackle this week. We're gonna try and have it a rolling chassis before he gets back. We're gonna hopefully have it painted and everything. The rolling chassis painted, not the bed and the cab yet. Let's get the bed unbolted and get it lifted off.
What's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo man out here in Kenny's garage. This is the remnants of Larry. 1986 F150 two-wheel drive, 302 fuel injected, AOD transmission. Truck's getting a 6-inch rough country lift, 4-wheel drive. Paint the frame, make it all pretty. Get rid of all the stuff we don't need on here. And make it a really nice little truck. There's that on the frame fuel pump that everybody uses. That's that Bosch high pressure pump. The big filter. Catalytic converter. Built into the Y pipe. This frame's in exceptional condition. This was a Georgia truck. Get everything off the back of it. Spare tires out of it. I'm going to separate this motor off of that seat or off of that AOD. I think the plan is we're going to use the engine, or actually it was in Clifford, so it came from a Bronco. It was originally fuel injected. I believe that one's going to end up back in this truck. So yeah, we finally made it back home. That long road trip that we had, everything went good. Got the video up for the car wash bucket that we actually did a review on. And as you guys can see there in the background, we got all the tools and everything back up on the wall, so that's all good. It's an everyday thing trying to keep all this stuff clean and orderly. As you can see here, we've got 5 tires that have got to go somewhere, because those are not the tires we're going to end up using on Larry once we put Larry back together. But I just wanted to keep you guys abreast as to what was going on here. Larry is in the buff. All right, guys. I don't know that this is long enough for a video, but we're going to try and put one together and hopefully have something for you guys on Sunday morning. So, all right. The old Mongo man is out. Talk to you guys later.